Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk about this Chemical Guys Clay Luber. One thing I love about Chemical Guys is they always make their bottles really functional. This can be easily held in one hand, which is what you're doing half the time when you're cleaning your car. It does come with the on-off spout as well, so you don't accidentally spray it. This works by adding a nice slick lubrication to the clay bar. You can see here that it does make a huge difference in making sure your paint is protected while you are trying to clean it and get those extra gritty bits off. It has a really pleasant cinnamon smell, which I was not expecting and just absolutely loved. You can see just how big of a difference it makes and the ease it does use in helping you scrub your car. This is not sped up, that is just how easy and quick it is to use it. We are using it with a clay bar, but you can also use it on any surface with anything from a clay bar, block or MITT. It really makes a huge difference, but that's just my point of view.